Okay, here's a quick video of knots on a sunfish. This is 1978 AMF Sunfish Sugar 2. Just went out sea trials, back successful. Up on the bow, we hook on the bow line with the bowline. So there it is right there. Come back. We've got the sails lashed on with this Marlin Hitch all the way down. It's the halyard right here. Comes down, goes through the fair lead around the cleat, and you put a little figure 8 knot on the end so it doesn't escape through that clear lead. Goes up to the top of the mast, and up there you put on whatever your favorite spar hitch is, a Clove Hitch, or what we do is we just wrap the spar 3 times and then put a couple half hitches. Come back down, dagger board retaining line. Goes on with 2 bowlines on a little 1/8 inch line. Here's the main sheet and a Flemish coil. Has a figure 8 stop knot on the end of it. It goes up back through the blocks. Beautiful bronze blocks on this boat, by the way. Comes down to the deck. You've got a bowline on a snap shackle. You could skip the snap shackle and just tie the bowline around this bridle here. And the bridle is secured on both ends with a couple of figure 8 knots. So figure 8s, bowlines, more figure 8s, more bowlines, more figure 8s, more bowlines, and then up at the top a Clove Hitch, a spar hitch, or our triple wrap and a couple of half hitches, and the sails lashed on with the Marlin Hitch, which just comes up, goes around the spar, through the grommet, and then back up, and repeat. And the outhauls at the top of the sail are pulled out with a little bowline around the grommet. Goes through the outhaul cap, back through the grommet, and then a couple of half hitches to get the tension you want. Down here it may be hard to see, but there's an S hook, and then we've started our Marlin Hitch there. So this is 1978 AMF Sugar 2. And all her knots. Hope y'all having a great day.